Hello friends, welcome to Mentor Vikas channel. Here I am going to start a brand new series of React Material UI, right? So before starting this series, there is something that you must know. You must have a basic understanding of HTML, CSS, JavaScript and React Obvious, right? And if you have all these knowledge, yes, you are qualified to proceed this course, right? So let's understand what is Material UI. So Material UI is an open source library which is used to build user interface in React.js, right? So basically it provides you a large number of components that you can simply import from their library and use in your React component. Okay, that means you don't have to build everything from scratch. You just have a source where you can use their component, and if you are willing to make some customization, you can also do, because they had also give space for that, right? The other advantage that you will feel while using this Material UI component is basically it saves a lot of your time, and the second, it handles responsiveness for most of its components, right? So in this course, basically I cover everything from basics to advanced level, right? Like for example, from building a very small component to even a large component, okay, a complex component that you are willing to complex UI that you are willing to build with that MUI. Basically this whole course is going to give you an introduction about what are the various components Material UI provides you and how you are going to use these components. So basically all of the component that Material UI provides you can be divided into 4 or 5 categories that I had listed here. The first one is that input or the form component, second one is the layout components, third one is the navigation component, fourth one is the data display components, right? And the fifth, which I had mentioned here, is the styling, because most of the time you are willing to make some styling, right? Because as per the requirement of the client, maybe the styling of the button or the any component that you are using directly from the Material UI is somewhere different from what it is already provided by default, right? So that how you can do that also, right? And if you are willing to build your own customized component, right, your own component, which by the use of that Material UI, we are also going to cover each and everything in this course, right? So let's understand what we are going to do in our next video. Firstly, we are going to configure our React application with that Material UI and make all that basic installation, right? So that is what we are going to cover in our next video. I hope you had now a basic understanding of what we are going to cover in this course, right? And let's meet you in our next video. Till then, have a nice day and goodbye.